Okay, so this is
Thanks.
this is our burping contest video. You want to go first? My turn. I win that one. Second round. Excuse me.
Ew, it's a god.
Hey, no drinking all of it.
Ow.
Balls. Hatchet, man. Hatchet.
Fail at my hair.
You vato, come down.
You trolls. There's 500 calories.
I know, right?
Skinny. I'm bored.
I'm bored. I'm bored. Do you hear me? No.
Hatchet, man. Hatchet.
Who won? Who won? Who won? Who won? Who? Tell us. Who won?
Bird.
My stomach hurts.
Hold on. This is gonna be the winner.
I didn't say it was gonna be a burp.
Did you guys know that really, I want to play skee-ball. You spit. Did you know in Georgia it is illegal to change the clothes on a storefront mannequin unless the shades are down? Wait for it. My turn.